everyone, today we'll be working in SmartFutures. To get logged in, click on the link and then type your username right here and your password right here, and then click login when you have your username and password. You might need your learning coach's help for this, and if you don't have your username and password saved from last time, please ask your teacher. Once you get logged in, you might see where it says choose a profile picture to represent you. So just answer some of those questions. This was all part of your portfolio that follows you throughout your stay here at Insight. When you're done with that, you should see the Activities tab on the left-hand side. Click on Activities and then scroll down to Activity 13, Writing a Personal Letter. So once again, we are completing Activity 13, Writing a Personal Letter today. When you're ready to begin, click Begin, and that will take you to your lesson.